Beat the heat without any guilt. Learn how to make this healthy and refreshing Kiwi Cooler with our quick and easy guide and cool off all the worries of the day. You would want to start by adding the kiwis to your blender and blending until smooth. Transfer it into a pitcher once smooth, then pour in the 7-Up and orange juice. Stir to combine before serving over ice cubes. Top it with a sprig of mint and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.